Your lesson essential question is how can benchmark numbers be used to compare fractions? So we'll be using what are called benchmark numbers today to continue comparing fractions. When we use benchmark numbers, we think of wholes, halves, quarters, or fourths because they're easy fractions to compare to. Carrie wants to buy 2/6 of a container of roasted peanuts. Alan wants to buy 2/3 of a container of roasted peanuts. The containers are the same size. Who will buy more peanuts? Another strategy to compare fractions is to use common benchmark numbers such as 0, 1/2, and 1. So here's the container, and this is what it looks like when it's full. Compare each fraction to the benchmark number half, then see how they relate to each other in size. So if you look right here in the middle, here is half a container. We're looking at Carrie's 2/6 container here and Alan's 2/3 container here. I can see that Carrie has a lot less peanuts than Alan. So 2/6 is less than half, 2/3 is greater than half. So 2/6 is less than 2/3. Alan will buy more peanuts than Carrie. You can also think about it by looking at your numerator and your denominator. How much is half of 6? 3/6 would be half of 6. Carrie only has 2/6, so she does not have half. Half of 3 is 1.5. Alan has 2, which is more than 1.5. So he has more than half. So thinking about it mentally, you can think about what a half is. Let's do number 9 and 10. 5/8 compared to 7/8. Thinking about half of 8, I know that 4/8 would be 1/2. 5 is just over half. 7 is almost 1 whole because 8/8 would be a whole. So I know that 5/8 is less than 7/8. 5/8 and 2/8. Again, thinking about half of 8, which is 4/8. 5 is slightly over half. 2 is under half. So I know that 5/8 is greater than 2/8.